It is rare, but some children do have severe reactions after COVID-19 exposure.
Yeah, frightening to hear some of these cases. It's called pediatric multi-system inflammatory syndrome, MISC, and it is here in the Valley. Our Brianna Whitney is getting the facts to keep your kids safe.
Doctors here in Phoenix say not only is MISC already here in Arizona, but they're expecting cases to rise. It's not super common, but can become very serious very quickly if not caught early, and sometimes that's the hardest part.
Some kids are getting very sick from it. Some kids are dying from it. And unfortunately, you can't predict which kid that's going to be.
Just like COVID-19, pediatric multi-system inflammatory syndrome in kids can be different from child to child, ranging from a rash and fever to sepsis and respiratory problems. Maricopa County confirming Tuesday there have been 7 reports of MISC, 3 testing negative and 4 currently pending. Banner confirms cases in Phoenix and Tucson. Phoenix Children's Hospital says they've had cases too, and doctors say there could be more.
Earlier in the year, before we were testing for COVID regularly, we did have an increased incidence of Kawasaki disease, which is similar to the multi-system inflammatory syndrome. So we think we might have had some cases earlier in the year.
Dr. Salil Pradhan, a pediatric doctor at Valleywise, says MISC in kids stems from exposure to COVID, but with a different timetable.
What makes this a little bit different is that it appears to be coming about 3 to 4 weeks after a COVID infection. And unless people knew they had that, it's hard to test.
University of Arizona Dr. Shadmar Vasti says it's rare for kids to spread MISC to other kids, but adults can pass it to children, leading to concern for the school year.
What I would be worried about is maintaining proper distance with any adults and your children. And then obviously in school settings, the teachers and other adult staff in terms of their interactions, because there's more chance, unfortunately, of seeing more and more cases of MISC moving forward in the next couple months.
I reached out to the health department to ask about the overall number of MISC cases in Arizona right now, but they did not get back to me. Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.